let's install this sunshade in the Tesla Model Y Premium, because it's getting awfully hot in there. Glass roof, no joke, gets hot, but so does other cars. But we're going to figure out, see if we can do it, make it cool down a little. This comes packed in a bag. This is from Tesla. Yes, this ain't a fishing video. It is 100 degrees and the catfish are on spawn, so we'll be back at it here in a few weeks. Okay, let's work right here. You've never seen a Tesla model, any type of vehicle. This is it right here. I'm doing this on my phone. I've got my GoPro out here. Let's see. It comes in a bag. Now it's supposed to be some clips that go up in between the glass and the frame. So we'll look at that here in a second. Let me get this out of the bag. There's some clips here. Here it is. It's already got some attached to it. Okay, let's spread this thing out and see what happens. Oh, it's already got some all around it. Them are extra. Cool. I'll put a few more on it and see what it looks like. Okay. I'll hold this here. You can see how this one's on there. So this just clamps down on it. It's like a metal frame. Right there. I'm going to do the rest of them, then I'll go inside. Okay, I got all the clips on there. And I did watch a video. It says to take that, put it on the left hand corner, down. So we'll see what happens here. Hold this down. See if I can put you. Oops. Go this way. Let's see if I can get through there. Oops. Alright, see if I can get you here. Open the door. Okay. I don't know if you can see anything, kind of dark in here. I'm in the garage, it's 100 degrees. Okay, got it laying up there. I think that's right. Let's get in here and see. See if it clips in the spot here. Okay, here's an extra clip right here. It just pushes up in here. See him right here? Okay. Looks pretty clean. Yeah, looks all right. Maybe it'll keep the inside a little bit cooler. Cool. Hope that helps somebody. It's real easy to do. No catfishman can do it. I think I'll back it out and see what it looks like. We'll back it out here. Let's see. Oh, shut that door up there. Okay. Stick this thing down in here. Shut the door. Push on the brake. Then I put my seatbelt on. Safety, safety, safety. There's my bait tanks up there. Okay, right there it is. See it a lot better. Here's these little clips. Like right inside here. There, there, all the way around to the back. And I hope this helps somebody. Thank you a lot for watching.